Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify email automations for lead nurturing, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Shopify email automations for lead next, navigate to the marketing section found in the left-hand menu. Once in the marketing section, click on campaigns to manage your email campaigns. Look for the Create Campaign button and select it to start a new email campaign. After that, choose email from the options provided. You will now be prompted to select a template for your email. Pick a template that aligns with your brand and the message you want to convey. Edit the content of the email to suit your lead nurturing goals. Be sure to include a clear call to action that encourages recipients to engage with your brand. Next, set up a target audience for your email automation. You can choose to target specific customer segments based on their behavior and engagement history. After defining your audience, proceed to set the automation triggers. Now, customize the timing of your email, determining when it should be sent after the trigger. Review your email settings to ensure accuracy in sender information and other important details. Finally, test your email automation to see how it appears to recipients and verify that all links work correctly. Once satisfied with the setup, activate your email automation. Monitor the performance of your automations through the analytics dashboard provided in Shopify. Adjust your strategy as needed based on open rates and customer engagement metrics. This ensures optimal lead nurturing over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.